The Sesa Ayurvedic Hair Spa Kit. No need to go to a parlor, no need to sit there for 2.5 hours. You can do this right in the comfort of your home. The Sesa Ayurvedic Kit is a 3-step treatment to rebuild your hair health at home. It comes with 4 products. It has Sesa Hair Vitalizer, it has the Sesa Ayurvedic Shampoo, a hair mask, and a hair oil in lotion. Come along with me as I indulge in this beautiful hair spa right in the comfort of my home. I begin with combing out my hair, removing all the knots, and I do it with a white toothbrush, which is very important to make sure that we are not breaking the ends of our hair, which tend to be the driest and the easiest to break. After I comb my hair, I go in with the Sesa Pre-Treatment Hair Vitalizer. I take a little bit to begin with and work it into my roots. And if you've been a part of this channel, you know how much I enjoy hair massages. So this is the part of the hair spa that I really and thoroughly enjoy. Now I have very long hair and they're fairly dense, so I need to use a good quantity of vitalizer to cover my entire hair. I go into my scalp and pay special attention to the ends of my hair. This kind of makes sure that the cuticles are well covered. The Sesa Hair Vitalizer or Ayurvedic oil has 19 Ayurvedic herbs and 11 nourishing oils. It's actually made using a 5,000-year-old process of Sheer Pak Vidhi, where all these medicinal herbs and nourishing oils are boiled in pure cow's milk for 22 hours. Therefore, it makes it very, very effective against scalp and hair related issues, and it has absolutely no mineral oil. The vitalizer promises to strengthen your hair, stimulate hair growth, and prevent hair fall and dandruff. I have to say that this smells heavenly and goes on really smoothly and beautifully onto your hair. I can actually feel my hair getting softer and more manageable as I'm applying this hair vitalizer. It is advisable by the brand to use a hot towel, but it's really cold in Hyderabad and I'm recovering from COVID, so I'm not going to be using a hot towel because that very soon gets cold. I'm going to instead use a shower cap, which again builds in the heat inside and actually helps the product to be well absorbed into the hair. If you can use a hot towel, is definitely better. It's going to make the product work more effectively. It's been an hour and I go in with the Sesa Therapeutic Hair Shampoo. The Sesa Ayurvedic shampoo is infused with 17 natural herbs and is paraben free. It is a really mild shampoo, but it cleanses with a lot of foam, which I really love. It's amazing to me that the first use of the shampoo itself gave me such good lather and really made my hair feel very clean. I of course by habit always use the shampoo twice. As you can see, my hair is already feeling so smooth and soft and the water is just rushing through the hair. I then towel dry my hair and go in with the Sesa Deep Nourishing Hair Mask. This particular mask is made with natural ingredients like kaolin clay, almond oil, strawberry extracts, and vitamin E. This mask promises to help renew hair, improve hair health, and the almond oil and the vitamin E is definitely going to help in strengthening the hair. The kaolin, as you know, absorbs excess oil, leaving your hair soft and bouncy. And this is going to work very well if you have very oily hair as well. I divide my hair into two and equally apply the mask on both sections and let the mask be on for about 5 minutes and then go in to wash my hair. Once my hair is partly dry, I go in with the Sesa Hair Oil in Lotion. It is best applied on slightly damp hair. This is a light non-sticky lotion which has again got Ayurvedic herbs, I believe 17 of them, and it also has vitamin E and a blend of super exotic oils like avocado oil, almond oil and olive oil. It again has no mineral oil and is completely paraben free, if that is a concern for you. It adds massive moisturization to your hair and gives you a natural shine, as you can see over here. It also, in the long run, helps repair damaged hair and protects the hair from breakage. The Sesa hair oil lotion is a leave-in product and you just need a piece sized. My hair is extremely soft and smooth and quite lustrous, I have to say. You can see the shine in them, and my hair definitely feels very nourished and beautiful. So, this is how my hair looked when they were straight, and this is how they look post a styling or curling. You can see the softness and the glow in the hair. This at home hair spa kit has multiple benefits for healthy, beautiful looking hair. It helps nourish your hair and scalp, prevents hair fall and dandruff. Preventing hair fall, I think the Sesa products do very well. If you've not used the onion hair oil or the onion hair kit, please do. A lot of you have written to me how it has actually helped you in getting over the COVID hair fall. So give that a shot as well. These products do promote hair growth, and this spa kit also does that. The hair spa kit also repairs hair from damages, and as a result, you get this really smooth, silky, bouncy spa treated hair. The clear advantages that I see between using a salon hair spa or using the Sesa Ayurvedic hair spa kit is that the Sesa Ayurvedic spa kit really works very well on the strands. It is economical, and doesn't have any harmful chemicals, and definitely in the long run, because it's got Ayurvedic herbs and oils in it, is great in the long term for the hair. And the best part is it can be used at home anytime. As opposed to going to a salon. First of all, going to the salon, then hair spas are so expensive, and of course they have chemicals. And of course the biggest difference is that the salon hair spa only works on your hair strands, whereas the Sesa Ayurvedic hair spa kit actually works on the scalp and improves the health of your hair. Absolutely fantastic product. It's good for the beauty of your hair as well as the health of your hair. The Sesa Hair Spa at Home Kit is one of its kind and is a beautiful combination of Ayurvedic herbs and natural ingredients. And I think it's a great win for us because right now one feels a little iffy going out with COVID, and of course, saves time. It's a very convenient 3-step Ayurvedic hair spa right at home. It definitely made my hair softer, lighter, and more hydrated and moisturized. For me, this particular kit lasted for 2 washes because there were only two shampoos with it, even though the hair vitalizer and the mask is there for at least one more wash. But I don't have the shampoo. So, what I will do is probably combine that with my own shampoo and still get the benefit of the hair vitalizer, which I completely loved, and of course, the mask. If you use this product, let me know how your experience was. For more discussion on this, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.